pedagogical behaviors is properly understood, that is what we call as discipline. So discipline in all aspects, then I think half of the work will be completed.
So that because I can't stand even. For the beginners, how we have to teach them or make them to understand parts of speech. Here I have taken English grammar as a family, and parts of speech is a father, and he has 8
concept of the story. Look at here. One's hand was sinking next into water. A dove, she is
so that I use that sleeping hours. Okay. So this one is A group, this one is B group, and this one is C group. So I will give you
the conventional way of the teaching methodology was teacher, he was punishing the students, he was forcing the students. Whatever the right thing was there, the student has to learn. That's all. There was no other option. But now the trend has been changed. The teacher is not mere a teacher. He needs to be a facilitator, because everything that a student needs to learn, that's already within the student.